36 years ago, I gave my heart to the Lord. My wife actually did deliverance on me. I came out of worshipping Satan, so she had to cast out demons out of me. So at age 21, we did our first deliverance together. And we've been married now for 36 years. She's my ministry partner. So we travel everywhere together. We do everything together. And our ministry has changed quite a lot. We've planted churches, planted 3 churches, and we started a bike club where we had a bikers church, and we started a street ministry. And then lastly, what happened was we went to Koffiefontein, God Placed Us in Koffiefontein, where He supernaturally gave us a mission station where we have like a second-hand clothing store and missions training center and also a soup kitchen. But now, I would say about 2 months back, the Lord gave us a prophecy that He's going to start using us differently. And since then, the soup kitchen has closed. One of our disciples took over the mission station, and we are now just on the road all the time traveling.